What up, Dusties? And welcome back to my motherfucking channel. If you are new here, hi, hello, how are you? I am Shans. This is just a channel of random shit. So sit back, enjoy, hit that subscribe button, and turn on your post notifications so that way you are notified every time I upload. So today I'm gonna be making infused lollipops. Since it's my first time, I think I should only do one flavor and not try to be like fucking Chef Ramsay in here because I'm not that skilled to do that. So I think I don't know, like I feel like the cherry might be the better one. Like it might taste the best, you know? So I think I might end up going with the cherry. So I'm gonna get up eventually. I'm gonna get up, don't worry, I'm gonna get up. I have to go prep the ingredients and everything, but for this recipe that I'm following, I will link down below where I got the directions and everything from, as well as I'll put the ingredients down below as well so that way you guys can try it out yourselves. This is going to be a fun little experiment. It's currently infusing right now. I'm making the tincture and everything right now as we speak. That way everything is pretty fresh and blends together roughly around like the same temperatures, because I've been reading a lot about when people are making it, that once it gets to like 250 degrees, and like they pour in like all their other stuff, like the flavoring, the food coloring, and their tincture, it like kind of hardens because like everything is a different temperature, so it's like cooling it down really fast. So we don't want that. So yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs and start just prepping like those things, and then I'll show you guys what the ingredients and stuff, the ingredient list. So y'all might just get a little montage of me making this shit. So I hope you enjoy. Make sure you guys leave comments down below and like, and let me know what you guys think of it. So yeah, we're gonna get into it now. All right, and we are now in the kitchen. So to start, for your initial base, you are going to need 1 cup of granulated sugar. You are gonna need half a cup of light corn syrup and 1/4 cup of water. That's just gonna be for the base. And then you're going to need, eventually we're gonna have it be 3 tablespoons of the tincture, and then I'm going to have 1 teaspoon of each of these, and I'm going to be making cherry and pomegranate flavored lollipops. Got her starting to boil. I should probably turn it down. Let me check the temperature. Okay. Now we have to stop stirring. I'm zooming in. It is at 230 degrees. 230? Okay. She was at 230. Now I just have to like let it boil until it gets to 300, and then once it gets to 300 I take it off and I gotta let it cool. So at this point I added in my food coloring so that way the bubbles just kind of like mix that in, and then once I take it off and it gets down to 250 is when I'm gonna add in my tincture and my flavoring and stir that stuff together. So for now I'm just letting the bubbles essentially do the food coloring mixing for me. We're so close to 300. We have to make sure we're at 300 exactly before I take it off. Honestly, like 5 more minutes and it should be at 300. Okay. This is the part where I'm gonna have to work fast. As soon as it hits 250 is when I add in like the tincture, the flavoring, and I have to mix that. And then once that's all good to go, I will be transferring it to the molds. Jeez, this might actually come out busted. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, we're gonna pour it in the molds. Let me try to do this without a spoon.
It actually smells so good.
Oh, I mixed pomegranate and cherry.
That would be a really good candle scent.
Oh. Oh my god! I'm fucking Betty Crocker up in this bitch. Oh my god. This is fucking sick. I love this. Okay, it looks a little messy, but like, just trust the process. It made a lot more lollipops than I expected. It was supposed to be 18. Oh, I didn't even pour like a lot on this one, whatever. And then I just made some like loose ones because I didn't realize it was gonna make a lot. But so far, like, they're looking pretty fucking good. I'll check back in 2 hours.
2 hours later.
Again. Finito. Alright, we have officially finished making all of our lollipops for the day. Honestly, I would say for a first time trier, these came out pretty freaking awesome. I'm going to try one and see how it feels. I'm gonna finish, I was gonna wrap them all like this, but like, I'm too fucking lazy right now. So we gonna use elastic bands and we gonna wrap this shit. But that's it. That's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, as well as you guys turn on my post notifications. That way you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And also leave a comment down below for some suggestions as to other flavors or other things you guys want me to try to make, or new things you guys want me to do. So yeah, thanks for watching, Dusties. I'll see you guys in the next one.